Hey, I'm Brandon, and I'm a home buying specialist with My Tennessee Home Solution. I want to share some information about the general timeline pertaining to foreclosures. The period after you fall behind in payments, but before a foreclosure officially starts, is generally called the pre-foreclosure stage. During this time, the lender or the lender's servicer can charge you various fees like late charges and inspection fees, and in most cases must inform you about ways to avoid foreclosure and send you a pre-foreclosure notice called a breach letter. Under federal law, the servicer usually can't officially begin a foreclosure until you're more than 120 days past due on payments, subject to a few exceptions. This 120-day period provides most homeowners ample opportunity to submit a loss mitigation application to the servicer. The timeline can vary based on specific circumstances, including lender policies, any attempts by the homeowner to cure the default, and whether the homeowner seeks legal intervention or bankruptcy protection. Here's a general breakdown of that timeline, assuming the homeowner makes no payments and does not seek any assistance or protections to stay the foreclosure. In most cases, a homeowner has a grace period starting with their due date on the 1st through the 15th of the month. On the 16th day after the due date, the lender usually sends a late payment notice informing the homeowner of the missed payment and any late fees. Between 45 and 60 days late, the lender may send a notice of default. This notice outlines the amount overdue and the borrower's right to cure the default by making the necessary payments within a specified time frame. Between 60 and 90 days late, the lender may internally initiate foreclosure proceedings, though this can vary depending on the lender's policies. Between day 90 and 150, the lender or trustee will file and publish a notice of sale, which must be published in a local newspaper for 3 consecutive weeks. The first publication must occur at least 20 days before the sale date. The foreclosure sale takes place at a public auction, usually at the courthouse, and the property is sold to the highest bidder. Because the process can take several months, it can provide homeowners a false sense of security. However, the lender is only following federal and state guidelines, and if the borrower fails to cure the default, then a foreclosure is inevitable. If you're in pre-foreclosure or foreclosure, reach out to us here at My Tennessee Home Solution. We'll discuss your situation and help determine a path forward with the goal of preventing your foreclosure from tarnishing your future.